Anand Mahindra, a visionary leader in business and philanthropy. In the dynamic world of business and entrepreneurship, few names resonate as strongly as Anand Mahindra. Renowned for his visionary leadership, innovative thinking, and unwavering commitment to social responsibility, Mahindra has emerged as a towering figure in the global business community, leaving an indelible mark on the industries he has touched and the lives he has impacted. Early life and education. Born on May 1, 1955, into the illustrious Mahindra family, Anand Mahindra inherited a legacy of business acumen and philanthropy. Raised in Mumbai, India, he completed his schooling at Lawrence School, Lovedale, before pursuing a degree in filmmaking and political science from Harvard University. He later earned a Master of Business Administration (MBA) from the Harvard Business School, further honing his skills and knowledge in the field of business management. Joining the family business, upon completing his education, Anand Mahindra joined the Mahindra Group, the multinational conglomerate founded by his grandfather, Jagdish Chandra Mahindra, in 1945. Rising through the ranks with determination and diligence, Mahindra held various leadership positions within the company, gaining valuable experience and insights into the intricacies of the business world. Transformational leadership. In 1997, Anand Mahindra assumed the role of Managing Director and Vice Chairman of the Mahindra Group, marking the beginning of a new era of growth and innovation for the company. Under his visionary leadership, the Mahindra Group expanded its presence in diverse sectors, including automotive, aerospace, agribusiness, and information technology, cementing its position as one of India's leading conglomerates. Global expansion and innovation. Anand Mahindra's tenure at the helm of the Mahindra Group has been characterized by a relentless focus on innovation and global expansion. From pioneering electric vehicles and renewable energy solutions to spearheading digital transformation initiatives, Mahindra has led the company into new frontiers, driving sustainable growth and creating value for stakeholders around the world. Commitment to sustainability and social responsibility. Beyond his achievements in business, Anand Mahindra is also a staunch advocate for sustainability and social responsibility. He has championed numerous initiatives aimed at addressing environmental challenges, promoting inclusive growth, and empowering communities, earning him accolades and recognition for his commitment to corporate citizenship and ethical leadership. Philanthropy and impact. Anand Mahindra's philanthropic endeavors extend beyond the boardroom, with a focus on education, healthcare, and rural development. Through the Mahindra Group's various corporate social responsibility initiatives and the work of the Mahindra Foundation, he has made significant contributions to improving the lives of marginalized communities and fostering sustainable development in India and beyond. Legacy and inspiration. As Anand Mahindra continues to lead the Mahindra Group into the future, his legacy as a visionary leader and compassionate humanitarian serves as an inspiration to aspiring entrepreneurs and business leaders around the world. With his bold vision, unwavering integrity, and deep commitment to making a positive impact, he embodies the values of leadership, innovation, and social responsibility that define the Mahindra Group and its enduring legacy in the global business community.